This video is sponsored by Famoid.com, the best way to get social media followers in just one click. Most of you might don't know, but Fall Guys game is currently only available for Steam and PlayStation 4 platform. So how to download and play Fall Guys game on your Android? Well, for now you can play an alternate one which is so similar to the Fall Guys game. Let's see how to download that game and how's the game look in gameplay. Open Google Play Store and search for Fall Dudes 3D. Chances that you might not get this game at the top result, and if that happens, you can always check the video description for the direct link. Once you are here, click on install to install this game and then wait for the download to get completed. And once completed, click open. This is how the game is. So we hope you like this video. Please do like and share this video, and if you are new to our channel then please subscribe us for the upcoming video. If you have anything to say regarding this video then please drop a comment in the comment section. This is Kunal signing off. Thanks for watching.